Pitch deck and financial projections. Impress investors with confidence. Looking to raise capital, secure loans, or present your vision to stakeholders? A powerful pitch deck and accurate financial projections are essential to gain trust, win funding, and drive strategic growth. At Filings Corner, we craft investor-ready pitch presentations and precise financial forecasts that speak to your audience: VCs, banks, partners, or grant providers. What is a pitch deck? A pitch deck is a visually compelling business presentation designed to attract investors and venture capitalists, support loan applications or debt financing, facilitate corporate partnerships or government grants. Key slides in a winning pitch deck. Problem and opportunity. What market gap do you solve? Solution. How your product or service addresses it. Market size, total addressable market and target customer. Business model, how you generate and scale revenue. Competitive landscape, why you're better and different. Go-to-market plan. Sales and distribution strategies. Financial snapshot, 3 to 5 year projections. Burn rate, break-even, funding. Ask, capital required and use of funds. The team, founders, advisors, and leadership strengths delivery. Time 5 to 7 working days. Price R7, $999. What are financial projections? Financial projections forecast your company's financial health over the next 3 to 5 years. They're essential for investor confidence, loan approvals, strategic decision-making. What we include: projected income statement, revenue, SOGs, profits, cash flow statement, inflows, outflows, and liquidity, balance sheet, assets, liabilities, and equity, break-even analysis, key ratios, EBITDA margin, DSCR, ROI, etc. Scenario planning, best case, worst case, and realistic outlooks. Delivery time, 7-10 working days. Price, Rs9, $499. Who needs these services? Startups and founders, seeking seed, Series A, B, or crowdfunding. SMEs and corporates, pitching new ventures, seeking bank loans or investors. Entrepreneurs, with scalable ideas needing financial backing. Existing businesses, planning expansion, merger, or partner funding. Loan applicants, for working capital or asset financing. Service packages, pitch deck. Plus, financial projection combo. Get a comprehensive investor package in one go. 10 to 12 days. 14th, 99999. Pitch deck review and enhancement. Already have a deck? Let us polish and enhance it for maximum impact. 3 to 5 days. Mosh Rs3 9999. Custom financial models. Tailored financial models for advanced forecasting, SaaS, e-commerce, manufacturing, etc. Timeline, as per scope. Quotation-based, why choose Filings Corner? Experienced team, CAs, MBAs, CSs, and analysts, investor-grade design, sleek, modern, data-driven decks. Accurate forecasting, logical, bank investor-friendly formats, confidential process, data security assured quick turnaround, meet tight funding deadlines. One-stop solution, from strategy to execution. How to get started? Choose your package from our website. Connect with us to confirm your project. Share your business details and vision securely. We build your pitch deck and projections from scratch. Get investor-ready materials, professionally designed and backed by solid numbers. Ready to pitch like a pro? Call us today or visit www.filingscorner.com. Let's help you impress investors and secure your next big funding round. Filings Corner, where great ideas get funded.